All right, now that all that is done, let's go over my parts. For the brakes all the way around, brakes and rotor from Detroit Axle. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E, and I know from the last video I did say that was going to be the last video. I was going to do brakes off camera, but I'm like, man, I can make one more video. This is going to be the last video, y'all. Y'all know this is going to be the last video on this car. Just the one last video so I can give y'all a breakdown on how much it cost me and all the parts to fix this with me doing it and not a shop. So, y'all know we're going to jump into these brakes first. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to give y'all how much each part cost me. Total price amount, which I can get a total price right now. It cost me like $450 and like, think 70, what was it? 71 cents. Yes, I got it right. $450, 71 cents. And I can tell you what all parts, if you're new to this channel, but if you're not new, y'all know everything that we replaced. Or y'all might not know, but we got a lot done. So let's go take a look at these brakes. Now, for this brake job, because it's going to be one of those how-to videos, for these brakes, you're going to need a 14 millimeter and a 13 millimeter. You can use open end, or you can use a socket and a ratchet. I prefer to use open end and a socket and a ratchet and a hammer. And you're going to need you a brake pad and caliper service tool kit, because I do believe these have to be turned in. I already got that one turned in, but if they don't, let me know in the comment section below, because I didn't try to press them in with a C-clamp. I just turned them in. When I see those two little notches, I just assume you got to turn them in. So I get my little kit out right there, and I turn them in. The back brake pads, they was almost out of there. Like 5 more stops, and it would have been grinding. Because this one almost down to the metal. The other pad got some on there. Wear sensor ain't been almost there. But it came out pretty good. I already greased them. I took my little grinder wheel and grinded out where the hardware go. I got me some thread lock to lock those down. So let me do what I do best. Slap this mud back together. Got the new rotor over there. Got the pads right there. Mount, some grease, hammer. I got everything I need to get this side done. The other side still put together. All rusty and trusty. Front end. Well, yeah, we got the tires on the front end. Did that? I got to pass it all in there. Make sure to remove the brake reservoir cap. I have my trickle charger, top done, torpedo 4000 on here, keeping her charged until I have to move her out. I gotta get somebody else's car up in here. Everybody, like I said, everybody was hitting me up. Can you? Well, it'd be like just basic maintenance, like brakes and rotors all the way around, and check on the engine light, because around here we gotta do emissions. And if I can fix the engine light, then fix it. But brakes and rotors all the way around, I charge like $200. So I usually can knock them out really quick. So let's jump on into this one. I'm sorry, like I said, this is going to be the last video on the 2010 Malibu LTZ. okay. Yeah, see that? I got that one side done. Was easy pleasy. That's why I don't like really make how-to videos, how to do brakes. Because I get brakes done in all the way around about like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. If I'm not making a video, I really knock brakes out real quick. And I do a real good job. But I just got to do everything like I did on the other side. But this side's still all together. Got my tools right there. So I'm just going to jump on into this one. Yeah, I won't see me whip out the grinder. My grinder. And I like to grind the rust off where the hardware go. So y'all won't get to see that. But we're gonna take a little bit longer. Knocking off some mice poop or animal poop off the car. So let's just jump on into this one, so I can give y'all that price rundown of how much it costs me doing everything myself and parts. Don't know how much you probably pay at the shop. Y'all let me know in the comments below after I give y'all the estimates. So let me get this side done. We can call, and like I said, give y'all my parts list, everything I ordered and how much I paid for them.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
All right, now that all that is done, let's go over my parts. For the brakes all the way around, brakes and rotor from Detroit Axle. They actually came from Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was selling them close by, locally, for $50. Couldn't pass that up. Messaged them while I was at work, because I work a full-time job. Picked them up on my way home from work. So that was $50. The tire, when we got down there to pick it up, it was on flat tire. Tire was bald. You could see the metal belt sticking through the back. Stuck me in my finger. So used tire was $60. Oil and oil filter. That was another $60. front because you needed 6 quarts. So I bought 10 quarts and an oil filter from Menards. So it's $60. Now let's get into the front hood struts. Right there. Came in a package of 2. Only needed 1. And that was $19.99. The exhaust gaskets. Don't even know what I did with the other ones. Here they go right here. Because I didn't know what size it was. So I ordered both of them was 2-piece. One was a 2-inch, one was 2.5 inch. One was $9.99, the other one was $14.99. The water pump, a premium water pump with gasket, was $23.99. So that came up to a grand total of $72.29 with tax. Now the windshield wipers. We did get those windshield wipers replaced. Windshield wipers were $19.99 with tax $21.39. Let me see. The A Premium Munition Coil and Spark Plug Kit was $90.99. And the headlight turn signal dimmer switch blinker level was $16.98, which gave me a grand total of $112.78. That's with tax. I stapled one of these wrong. Then, I ordered a key fob. Go over here. Ordered that key fob right there because she did not have a key fob. And I programmed it to this car. So the key fob was $9.95. The A Premium rear trunk lift support shocks were $18.69. And that PVC valve was $12.17. The Fel-Pro valve cover gasket set was $28.90. And y'all probably all used the old one, but I did order another one. I just swapped them out. Used the old one first that I bought years ago, and I put the new one somewhere up in here. Yeah, it's back there somewhere. Got my parts locker, so the new one is in there. So I did order another one to replace the one I already had. Like I said, that was $28.90 for a grand total of $74.25 with tax. And that brings us up to $450.71 when you add all that up. So that's how much money I spent on buying parts for this car. $450.71. And that doesn't include labor of doing all this work. So y'all let me know how much would it have cost my baby mama to get this car fixed for my youngest daughter, which she just turned 18. Like I said, I'm not going through and painting this old car. You know, I just did the basic maintenance because it's going to be her first car. It's probably going to be, as always, with new drivers, they're going to hit some stuff. They got to learn. So I'm not going to, take the front bumper off and repair the grill because it's falling off because these body gaps don't really line up. And I'm not going to get stuck like I did on the Impala trying to get these bumpers back on after somebody has been hitting the front already and everything don't line up. Like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below how much the shop had charged to do all the work I did in all this video series of the 2010 Chevy Malibu LTZ. Needed an oil change, valve cover gasket, water pump, PVC valve, tune up because I had a misfire, brakes and rotors all the way around, engine flush. Oh, I didn't get the engine flush in there. Oh man, see that what I forgot. So I didn't get the engine flush. And I don't know how much that was. Grab my phone. So how much was that engine flush real quick? Oh. Then I'm going to say my kudos on this one. Like I said I wasn't going to make another video, but why not? Giving y'all a rundown on how much it costs me. So, fix everything that was wrong with this car. Right now I'm looking for that engine flush. I actually bought 2 cans of it. Filter 2024. Apply. I bought all this stuff in 2024. Oh, okay, they go to PVC. Okay, there it is. I didn't get the liquid mighty engine flush. Should have added that one to it. Well, in 2 bottles, so I'm going to say the liquid mighty was $14.63. It's almost $15. So it cost me $465.71 to fix this car. We get her back running right. I do believe she's running right. Because we did everything we supposed to do. No more leaky leaks nowhere. And like I said, I did the battery's about to go dead in the gutter pill. And I did program the keys. Oh, y'all see that? So at least this is work. Pop the trunk. Ooh, yeah, baby. And replace those struts on both sides. So you won't get slammed. I didn't find a spare tire. Couldn't find a spare tire. The car didn't come with a spare. But I still got some time. Yeah, baby. I just do what I can do. It does not have remote start. I already tried that. But at least it now has keyless entry. And all the doors, actuators work. So that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed the video, y'all know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Letting us know how we did with this 2010 Chevy Malibu LTZ. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Read Bills. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch at teespring.com, not like this. We take Cash App donations to help keep this channel going. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's all links in the description area below. Go check it out. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!